Welcome back to Build by Design, the show that takes you behind the scenes with the latest and greatest in styles and trends in home improvement. Today we are in our newest set, which is a fresh new bathroom. It has some really beautiful warm tones to it, some touches of modern, but also really a classic feel. What inspired me for this bathroom was the huge trough sink. It is about a 42-inch full marble stone sink, and it just has like such a presence and made such a statement. And so when I saw it, I just knew that I'm gonna build this bathroom around this product. And I really wanted to pull the gray out of the Carrera in the sink, and did that with this floor tile. And it's just a large 12 by 24 scaled tile. We brought in two different hardware finishes to complete this bathroom. We have more of a brushed brass and a matte black, and both of those together made such a beautiful combination to really finish off the bathroom. In this bathroom, we have a separate shower from a separate freestanding tub. I chose this tub in particular. It's a really new finish, and it's just like a matte white. Usually you see a lot of like high gloss finishes. This one has just a really great texture to it, and it really flowed with the rest of the style of the bathroom, just being a little more contemporary. And then paired with the wall mount faucet, it was just a really great combination because it gave it more of a contemporary feel. And then we finished this space off with this woven pendant, which is really great over the tub because it's outdoor rated, but definitely make sure to check with your local codes to make sure that you are meeting all the standards. The shower is really where our modern touches kind of really came in because of this triangle pattern marble tile. This tile really makes such a statement, but it's not overwhelming because of the really soft tones in it. And I used a grout just to kind of help it all blend together, but still pop enough so that you get to see that pattern. And then with most bathrooms, I love to incorporate the glass doors. It just helps a space to feel bigger and more open because you're not really closing it off. And then you also get to show off your beautiful tile. Another really fun, unique element to this shower is the ledge that's all across the back. A lot of times you're gonna see the really traditional niches, which are so great. But here we wanna do something a little different, so we carried it all the way across, and it just makes for a little something extra in this shower. And then at the very end, you can never forget lighting. This is definitely a place where you can have some fun, and we did just that in this bathroom. These are referred to as bath bars, and you can use them on the side of a mirror, or you can use them above the mirror, mounted horizontally. I couldn't choose really for a while there, but I'm really happy with the way they turned out on either side of the mirror, mounted vertically. So after all of this was installed and done, we brought in our final touches with our accessories and this beautiful rug that really tied everything in with the black in it, and then this bench. Well, that's it for our newest bathroom here at Build.com. Next time we're in this space, you'll see a completely new bathroom. We're just gonna refresh all the products in it to give it a completely new look. If you wanna shop any of the products that you've seen in this bathroom, be sure to check out our Shop by Look page. It's a place where you can get inspired and see everything that we use to create all these beautiful sets here. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next space.